Today, we don't go outdoors often to appreciate nature. So, why not bring nature indoors through this nature in a bowl or Moss Terrarium?
Hello everyone. You must be thinking that making a terrarium is hard and expensive. Today we are going to see how easy it is to put together a moss terrarium. We have gathered all the supplies that we need to make the moss terrarium. We have a glass jar here. Make sure that you wash it thoroughly with a mild soap solution so that there won't be any mold or fungus forming inside. We have some gravel for the bottom layer. The bottom layer is for drainage and aeration. We have some pebbles for decoration. The second layer would be the soil. For the top layer, we have two different kinds of moss. We have some larger stones to make some steps, some barks, a pine cone and an acorn also for decoration for the top layer. We have a mesh here to separate the gravel from the soil, a spoon for the soil, and some paper towel and a wooden spatula to clean up if we make any mess inside. Let's start. First we can put the gravel at the bottom. This layer is for aeration and for good drainage. We put an inch of gravel at the bottom. Now we can put a mesh on top of this gravel to separate the soil from the gravel. I'm going to put two stones to anchor the mesh. The next layer would be the soil. We put an inch of soil on top of the gravel layer. Now we can use some barks to make the landscape. I'm putting more soil behind this bark, so it will look like a hill.
We can arrange the moss over the soil now. We can do some final touch now. We are done with our project and it came out to be a beautiful one.
The maintenance of this terrarium is very easy. You just have to spray the moss with water once a week or when the soil is dry. You can even use your old coffee pot to make your moss terrarium.
Hope you have enjoyed this video. You can do this as a project with your children.